And special thanks to our friends at CASEKOO who were nice enough to send us this CASEKOO Magic Stand black iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Inside of this box is, that's it for the box. Nice little hologram there. But this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max Cloudcush black Magic Stand case. So you can see the back of this is completely clear with the exception of your Magic Stand. Got a little CASEKOO logo there, cut out for your cameras. And of course you can just open this out and set your phone like this or like this. Use it to help hold your phone and of course fold it out of the way when you don't need it. Now the difference in the Cloudcush is this extra padding. So if you look inside of the case here, this black lining that's on the outside, giving it color, is extra padding. This case has a little bit more weight to it, but it will also help protect your iPhone 15 Pro Max a little better. Nice power button, volume rockers, charging port and speaker grill, and in the end, a very nice black Cloudcush iPhone 15 Pro Max Magic Stand case. You also get a little pamphlet about your Magic Stand, as well as some pretty cool CASEKOO stickers. And special thanks to our friends at CASEKOO who were nice enough to send us this Magic Stand CASEKOO case. This case is blue. Inside of the box is, that's it for the box. Nice little hologram there. But this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max Cloudcush Magic Stand CASEKOO case. If you look at this, there's actually some very nice thick protection into this case. You can actually feel it with the bit of weight that it has. You have a very nice blue tint all the way around, which is also like padding in here as well. Cut out for your volume rockers, your power button, and of course your charging port and speaker grill. You can see a little CASEKOO logo in there. And cut out for your camera. Back here is your Magic Stand, so it just folds right out, so you can set your phone like this or like this. Use it to help hold your phone or fold it out of the way when you don't need it. But I completely love the clear back. Would look great on a blue iPhone, or any iPhone of course, but a blue one would look phenomenal. And I love the thickness. You can feel the thickness on the sides of this case, which would help protect your phone in the event of it falling. Really a great case from CASEKOO. You also get a little pamphlet telling you about your Magic Stand and some cool CASEKOO stickers. Special thanks to our friends at CASEKOO who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 Pro Max Magic Stand case. This one is in green. Inside of this box is nothing else in the box. Nice little hologram there. But this is the green Cloudcush. Oh my God, I love this. iPhone 15 Pro Max Magic Stand case. Wow. So the back, as you can see, is completely clear. This is the Magic Stand, so you can easily pull this out and set your phone this way or this way. Use it to help hold your phone and push it out of the way when you don't need it. Now the back is completely clear to show off your phone. Nice cutout for your cameras, cutout for your power button, cutout for your volume rockers, cutout for your charging port and speaker grill. And then the best part is this whole very bright, beautiful lime green section is some extra padding. That's why this is the Cloudcush case. This extra padding should help protect your iPhone 15 Pro Max in the event of drops and also make your case just look beautiful. I mean, this is a phenomenal iPhone 15 Pro Max case. I love the look of this, but I'm kind of biased because this is my favorite color, green. You also get a little pamphlet telling you about your Magic Stand, as well as some cool CASEKOO stickers. And special thanks to our friends at CASEKOO who were nice enough to send us this Magic Stand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This case is gray in color. Inside of this box is, that's it for the box. Nice little hologram on the front there. But this is the gray Cloudcush iPhone 15 Pro Max Magic Stand case. You can see on the inside of this case, there's like an extra layer of protection, a nice extra soft padding, which should help in the event of you dropping your iPhone 15 Pro Max. This case has a little more weight to it, not by a lot, just feels a little more heavy and sturdier than the other cases due to this Cloudcush protection. You're cut out for your volume rockers, your power button, your charging port and speaker grill, as well as your camera. And then you have this beautiful clear back where you can show off your iPhone. And then this is the Magic Stand. You can fold it out, set your phone like this or like this. Use it to help hold your phone or fold it out of the way when you don't need it. This is a very good, sturdy, protective case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. You also get a little card describing Magic Stand, as well as some cool stickers from CASEKOO. And thanks to our friends at CASEKOO who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 Pro Max Magic Stand case. This color is pink, and inside of the box is, that's it for the box. Nice little hologram there. But this is the pink Cloudcush iPhone 15 Pro Max Magic Stand case. Look at that. Beautiful, almost hot pink look here. You can see the area here that is pink is extra padding. So this case has a little more weight and is a little thicker than some of the other cases, but that should also give you more protection in the event that you drop your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So these cases feel very sturdy, very good, and I really like the thickness on the edges. Volume rockers, power button, charging port, and speaker grill. Camera cutout, completely clear back to show off the beautiful look of your iPhone 15 Pro Max. And then this is the Magic Stand. You can open it up, set your phone this way or this way. Use it to help hold your iPhone 15 Pro Max. And of course, just put it out of the way whenever you don't want it. This is a phenomenal and very nice pink Cloudcush Magic Stand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. You also get a little pamphlet telling you about Magic Stand, as well as some cool CASEKOO stickers. Thanks again to CASEKOO, who was nice enough to send me this pink Cloudcush iPhone 15 Pro Max Magic Stand case. Thank you all for watching this unboxing, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.